Hello guys, I have created a quiz on type of variable, particularly the qualitative variable. So in this video, I will tell you how you can access this quiz and do an attempt. So in the description of this video, I will share a link. You just have to open that link like this. So once the link is open, so here are the 10 questions you have to read and mark. After completing the question, you just have to submit. Once you submit, there is an option of view score. Just click on it, and here you can see if the question is wrong. So here is the correct answer, and there is also a rationale why this answer is wrong. So you can attempt this question for better understanding. Thank you.